What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to send a GIF through Snapchat or really any other messaging service. So in order to do this, you're going to have to download an app. It's super easy to use though, don't worry. It's called Jiffy. It's just Giphy. It'll be one of the first options, the only one that's called Jiffy. You just download it real quick. It shouldn't take very long. And I have it downloaded right now. Upon first opening, you're going to have to create an account. It's super easy though, and you could just sign in with Apple or Facebook if you'd like. But once you have the account created, you'll be free to go. And now once you're in the app, you could just search for the GIF that you want to use using the search button all the way at the bottom in the middle. But I'm just going to choose a random GIF off the homepage to show you how to work. It makes it super easy. You could just tap the GIF right once you get on the screen and it'll automatically copy for you. And then you just head over to Snapchat or any other messaging app and you could just copy and paste and you will see the GIF pop up. If you did find this tutorial helpful though, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks. And check out our other videos, linked in the description.